So it's time for us to give our tithes and offerings.
Jesus, take the wheel.
You see, he looks so poor, hungry, and frustrated. Don't worry, let's leave everything to God. Yes. So let us give our first offering. Let us give our second offering.
What? Full time?
This thing is almost full. So let us give our 37th offering.
Jesus is Lord. Apostle, we hear of this.
So it's time to give our tithes. If you don't pay your tithes, you can never make heaven.
You know you can be prosecuted for that. What? Full time? Apostle, we hear of this. You will move out of this house. Child. Hey, I hear me. What?
Oh yeah, let us give our first offering.
You don't make money, wait,